Hey folks, welcome to Software Testing Hacks. Most of you were asking me how to install Chrome extension. So today I thought of making a video on how can we install Chrome extension. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Firstly, let's open up the Chrome browser, and here we will search for the extension. Okay, so suppose I'll go for full page screen capture Chrome extension. There is an extension called this go full page, so which will help us to capture the whole full screen screenshot. Okay, so here you will get the list of it, but go for the one which is of Chrome extension. Okay, here there are a lot of things, but go for this Chrome one. Okay, and it should be latest updated also. So here on click of this, here you will get the complete details of it. You can go through overview what is that, and if you feel that this is the correct extension that you're looking for, so just go over it and then click on the add to Chrome. Okay, here you have an option. So click on add extension. So it got, yes, installed now. So to verify it, how can you check is here is an option. If you click on this, okay, here you have an option to go through that, go to that particular extension. For that, how we will capture is we will go to some software testing, okay, some software testing blocks we will go, random one, okay, and then click on this go full page, okay. So it will capture the whole page now. So based on what the extension performs, you will have to click on that particular extension and then it will go ahead with whatever you wanted to. Okay, so it captured the whole page screenshot like this. If you can zoom it, maybe you will see it. Okay, so this is how you can utilize this particular extension. In other case, if you have installed the different, there are a lot of other extensions also. Say better bugs, which helps us to log the bug, and then you can also capture the screenshot. A lot of things are there, and also selectors hub. There are a lot of Chrome extension which are useful for the testers. You can try it out. And finally, if you don't want to use the particular extension right now, then there is an option to remove it also. Click on remove, it will get removed. You will no more be able to see it in the extensions list. Okay. So hope you got how to install the particular extension and then how to remove it also. Hope this helped you to understand the how Chrome extension works. If you like this video, please do like it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.